our home, our little apartment in Brooklyn in a frame house in what turns out to have been a very poor neighborhood, I didn't know that, became Grand Central for all of the new Let Me Believe in It. We said Alpines by miracle. Nobody expected to survive Let Me Believe in It. So I grew up with that having been the reality. The home was filled with people. There were meetings, there were singings, it was all in Yiddish. It was a center of Yiddish culture. If Sutzkever came to America, one of the places he would stop would be our home. Of many, many, many places, I don't need to make this, such an important center, but that's kind of how we live. Yiddish writers, Yiddish political activists, American political